The HomeSense floral section is ready for spring. Here's what I'm buying and what to stay far away from. These purple hydrangeas look a little too fake to me. I would stay away from anything like this. Instead of the vibrant hydrangeas, I would stick to a white. These tend to look a little bit more realistic, and this one has a really nice greenery as well. There was also another variation. This one was probably my favorite. Faux greenery can be tricky. This one, the color is not bad, but it's very shiny, and that just gives away that it's fake. I'd say eucalyptus like this is a little more realistic looking. It has a matte finish, so it looks more like the texture of real eucalyptus. This one wasn't bad. I liked the color of the greenery. It looked realistic enough. However, the branches, you can kind of see these like indents and where the leaf is like attached to the stem, and that just kind of throws off the whole thing. It makes it look really fake. I really like thistle for spring, and this one was a really good one. The texture on the greenery was nice. The color of the actual thistle was really pretty, and these just in a vase on their own, like you don't have to overcomplicate it. They're really pretty. And then this one was my favorite find of the day. It was like a birch pole at the bottom, and then the top had like the birch branches with leaves on it. I think it was like 6 feet tall. Really, really pretty. If you have a really tall vase in a corner that you can put them in, you can get a couple of these. The greenery was nice. The branch color was nice. There was no weird like transitions in terms of how the leaves were attached. So if you see these at HomeSense, if you're around right now, definitely grab a couple of these. A couple others that I would definitely grab if I see them. This is a really pretty queens and lace type flower. Nice color palette. The white is nice. Again, it's like that thistle where it's like pretty and it's textured on its own, so you don't have to overcomplicate it. You can just get these and put them in a vase on their own. And then a really pretty another eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is usually safe. The branches on here, they're on the border of looking fake, but I think the color of the greenery leaves themselves, this is a safe buy. You can buy this. If you have any other questions about how to pick your faux flowers, just let me know.